Hello there, my name is Michael, and I'm on a mission to beat Minecraft. Oh, it's that? It's that over there? And I think I saw a well? Like one of the desert wells? Oh no, wait, there's another village. Okay, let me get my boat there. Okay. Oh, hello. Give me a bit of a scare there. Off to the village. Look at that. There's a little hole there. Here we are. Hello? Hello, villagers. Hello. I just came from the other village. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a camel. Hello, camel. Hey. I never actually went in a camel or seen one. Hey, let's get rid of these cactus. Don't want anyone getting hurt. There's only other villagers. It's only two. Oh, hello. Oh, it's a cartographer. Where'd it go? Hello, good sir. Oh, watch out. Yeah, I'll get rid of these. Hello, good sir. Oh, I might want to talk to you, because I need to get a map to go to the trial chambers. Oh, hello there, good sir. Oh, you can see the village there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's a temple there. I know it's a bit mean, but I might want to grab one, just in case if I can't come back. This episode is going quite well. Oh, there's a lovely. Oh, and there's a parrot. Oh, and I got seeds. Hello. No, don't. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, no.